Well, is your Instagram music sticker missing? Well, here is how you can re-enable it quickly and easily. If your Instagram's music sticker is missing, it is often due to a temporary app glitch or an outdated app or a reasonable restriction. Now make sure it is not a restriction on your reason. Then the next step is to simply head into your Play Store or App Store and update the app to the latest version. Now also close the Instagram app completely. If it is a glitch or a bug, it should fix the issue once you open it again, or restart your device as well. Now, if it is a technical adjustment needed, then you can switch in between your account type. Open up Instagram. Now, if you do not want it, still you can do it. Head into edit profile and first switch to professional account, and then again switch back to your personal account. Now, while switching back to personal account, you'll have to head into menu and then scroll down, head into content creators and tools, and then you'll be able to, head into account type and tools, and you'll get the option to switch back to personal account. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.